Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how you can create your own PDF merger with some few lines of code using Python. And yeah, it's completely free and you can use it anywhere. So here is the source code, you can check, and I am going to describe the code in detail. But before that, let me run this so that you get the confirmation of how this software is going to be a work in future. So I have two PDFs. There is a sample one.pdf. Let me open. Here you can check the 7 pages, and here also 7 pages, right? So it's a front page and this is a front page. You can check the details as well, but let's jump straight to the code and let's run this. So it's asked for PDFs are merged in sorted order, so make sure you rename your PDF first. So yeah, I have to rename our PDF. So now it says that available PDFs are none. So the problem is I just run the code in D drive software, so I have to jump in source code folder, right? So let's jump to source code folder, and yeah, now let's run the code. So as you can check, PDFs are merged in sorted order and available PDFs are sample 1 and sample 2. There are 7 pages both. I'm going to tell how these pages are going to be calculated and all. So first of all, it asks for the enter start page number 0 for page 1, right? So it count as 0 for page 1 and the last page for n-1. And if you can want to skip any page, right, so you want 0, 3, 5, only these pages, so you can skip by entering 2, and I have to enter them separated with space and none to select default. So I am here pressing none because I want to merge just one complete. I want complete sample 1.pdf, and in sample 2 I just want to exclude the first page, right? So 1, 7, and I don't want to skip anything, so just 1 and enter, and it says PDF merged successfully. So this is the PDF, you can check. Let's see how this is going to work. Yes, you can check 7 plus 7 is going to be 14, and as I have excluded one PDF page, that's why the pages is now 13. And you can check the biology is first as order is maintained, and you can check the sample 3, the first page is excluded. Sample 2, the first page is excluded. This page is excluded, and here was only R, right? So hope you got the code, how it going to be run. Now let's understand it. First of all, to build this kind of software, you must need one module, that is PyPdf. Okay, now I have used two module from PyPdf, that is one PDF writer and one is PDF reader. As well, we also need the OS module and the time module. So first of all, I am doing building a class. I just call the class PDF writer and create an object merger, right, so that I can access the methods. And I have created two empty list or array, that is one is for PDFs and one is for pages. Then after that, I use the OS module to list all the PDFs here in this folder. As you can check that if I.ends with is equal to .pdf, then only append the PDFs. That means simple a string operation. And here I create another object using the PDF reader class and count every pages of each PDF, right, and also append the value in pages array. Now I create another array, that is just to make sure that I show the user that he is going to merge sample 100 PDF with 7 pages. It's a compact array with two string concatenation. One is PDF name and one is pages count. That's why this array is important, and as you can know that enumerate operation just return the index and element as well. And now I have sorted the PDF with page so that it is looking feasibly practical for the user, right? After that, just the text to more readable for the user, and also I have sorted the PDF with page. Okay, I just repeated it, it's okay. Now simple the next operation, that is for the start page number, end page number, and to skip. I just use here try and accept operation, that if any user give any wrong value or any kind of wrong information in the input, it automatically catches the none and skip nothing. And now I just call the object with a method that is merge. Merge takes 3 argument, that is none for the position. We just avoid the position because it's not necessary here. And after that a file object, that is our PDF, and the PDFs are fetched from the for loop. I also have sorted the PDFs because I already mentioned that PDFs are merged in sorted order, right? After that, the range, that is asked for the start page number, end page number, and it takes a tuple. That's why I have just typecast the input into a tuple. Okay, so this is very simple. And now the time module comes into effect, that I just return the current time in seconds and typecast it int and name the file with the time.pdf, so that you don't need to overwrite any file name. And after that I just close the object and end with PDF merge successfully. So hope you got every lines in this code. After that, one module is very important which help to create your software, that is your PyInstaller. So let me show. Here it is, PyInstaller, and I have used this code, that PyInstaller -1 file dot your file name, Python file name, and after that it returns an exe file, that is this one. And when you try to run this, let me show. If you just copy this, it has 27 pages, right? Okay, it has no pages, so you can just simply copy the sample 1, sample 2 as well. Okay, now let's run it as a software. You can just open in terminal and pdf merger.exe, just software run, and it asks for the pages same as I show before. Now 1, 7 and 1. Okay, so it counts the first PDF as well. So now I have to give the another input. Now PDF merged successfully, and you can check the software is built and is fully functional. So you can build your own software like this. You can more explore PyPdf. Till then, hope you understand everything, and make sure you comment if you get any kind of confusion. Till then, take care and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.